Hello and welcome to Bohannon Guitars and Ukuleles. I'm just going to do a unboxing of some photography lighting gear that I got. It's the Neewer LED lights. They're 660 LEDs and they are warm and white. So I'll unbox them now. I got the 3-pack, which comes with the tripods. So 3 lights and 3 tripods. Actually, I'll do the tripod first because why not? Everything looks as good as I thought it would be, which is exactly good enough. This 3-pack was $270, I think. So this is spreading out nicely. They're spring-loaded, which is unexpected. Yeah, they seem good. This is going to accept the housing for whatever is on the lights. Okay. It's a nice thing to have. So obviously this review will not be seeing how good the lighting is under photography. I'm just sort of an unboxing and initial quality review. There is what I'm sure is quality literature, which I'm never going to read. There's the power pack and the cord for that. Good. Okay. So this is the 660 is they kind of call it the professional one, which, you know, it's just a name, but this is the one that comes with the sort of lighting directional flaps. I don't know if they're called flaps, but I just like to call them flaps because they're flappy. And it also, so these I think cost about $30 if you buy them separately, and I guess they come with this square sort of housing ring thing that they seem to hinge on. And this, and I think the cheaper versions also come with this thing, which is a bit hard to get out. It's a bit dicky, but it's fine. You're going to put this diffuser card in and kind of forget about it, so that it's a bit dicky to get in and out doesn't really matter to me. So a diffuser light, and these kind of replace, I presume, the big the diffuser umbrellas that you see on non-LED lights. Actually, you can use them on LED lights. So there's the 660 LEDs. And you probably can't see it, but I can see the difference between the warm and the white. And this is hinged on this main part, and that seems all good quality. This is pretty heavy, so I'm just gonna slide this back in and sort of pop that back up, pop that down to get it out, and then you pop it back just to kind of lock it in. It's kind of a weird design, but I have no idea what that's for, but maybe it's just another one of these. Why they need two, I have no idea. One on the other side too. So I'll unflap it. So this is the back of it. You can control the yellow and the white balance. Comes with, well, it comes with 2 slots for batteries, but I'm not going to be using anything but the power pack. So I'm never going to worry about that. Looks like you turn it on with the battery that way, and the adapter is that way. That's the plug-in, the power adapter, and it's 3,200 to 5,600K, 5,600K. And this is, probably says in here, I think it was 96 CRI, or maybe it was 97. It said on Amazon where I bought it, but I can't see it here. But you want that number as close to 100 as possible, and anything below, I was reading, anything below about 94 or something is, you know, not very optimal. So everything looks good. Yeah, it doesn't say it here, but I think it's CRI. You want it as high as possible, and this is 97 or something, which is good. So, and it's 42 watt. So this I'm just going to lock this. And then I will. So this just sits on top there. If I had 2 hands, I could do it. Like that. And that seems quite sturdy. Oh, and now I know why that's spring loaded, because if this drops, it doesn't crash down. That's a good feature. Let's test that. Yeah, that's really good. That's an unexpected plus. So, here's one that I prepared earlier. Flaps out the way I like it, and I will put this on just half, turn it on. Actually, let me turn off the gas light that I've got. This is a white wall. So let's take down the white. I'm not sure if this is gonna show up, but I'm just looking on my iPhone and the light doesn't look any different, but in person that's much more yellow. And then the opposite. Yeah, this isn't showing up on the phone, but there's definitely a nice warmth when you do the all yellow and a much harsher light with the white. And yeah, this is going to be really nice in my photos, and I'm going to be taking pics of the guitars and ukes I make. So that's all, both of them full. That's all white, and that's all yellow. White, no white. That's just the house or the ambient light from outside. Yeah, so the phone is kind of compensating for all this different types of light that are coming through, so it doesn't really show. But yeah, I'm really impressed with it. For $270, you get 3 of these, of which are here. 2 stands, and it came in one big box, which is about, I don't know, about 3 foot by 3 foot by about 5 inches or something. Yeah, very impressed so far. I'll take pictures, you know, next week or something, and we'll see how it goes. But yeah, so far this lighting kit looks really good. Can somebody read this and get back to me? Do not look directly into the light while it is illuminated. Well, yeah, that's Rebel. Oh, you can see the different LEDs. Interesting. See, it does help to look in directly at the light. So no yellow, full yellow, full white. So that's everything on, and it's bright. And no white. It's all yellow and all off. Cool. Well, I hope that was of help to somebody. So far I haven't tested the 3 to make sure that nothing's broken, but I'm sure that it's good, because they're actually quite well self-contained, because they've got these metal flaps here which are actually metal, and I could bend them, but I mean, it really takes care of it. And you've got the diffuser in there as well, which, yeah, that's in there. So this seems about as stable as tripods get. I'll buy some sandbags or something and put them down. And yeah, not this one, but the bottom segment is spring loaded, so if this just drops all the way down, it's not such a shock, which is a really good thing. Yeah, so $270 well spent, free shipping. I don't know how they ship that massive box for free, but you know. I can't compare these lights to anything else, because this is my first foray into photographic lights. which is, you know, a bit unfortunate, I suppose. But just as a newbie who is wanting to photograph their instruments, or, you know, portraiture or whatever, or any still life, I reckon these are going to be fantastic. Before I was just using like IKEA lights, just little lamps and stuff, and they were doing a pretty good job, but with 3 of these, I think it's going to be great. I hope that was of help to somebody, and thanks for watching. If you like mostly guitar and Luthery video tips and stuff, please subscribe. This is probably going to be the last photographic video that I do, but you never know. But yeah, do subscribe, and let me know what you think of these if you've got them yourself. Any tips would be great. Thank you. Bye. See you next time.